Good morning. I'm eating box pancakes, but they ain't come out no box though. Stick around. Let me show you how to make them.
Alright, for this recipe, you gonna need some dried cultured buttermilk blend, alright? Okay, now let's get started. One cup of flour. Easy. Then we're gonna take it to a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. We're gonna do about a fourth teaspoon of salt, one egg, that's all, just one egg, a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of some vegetable oil. Yeah, that's all you need. I lied. You need 4 tablespoons of that dried cultured buttermilk blend. Alright, get all your dry stuff mixed up real good. Then we gonna go over to the wet stuff. That's your water, that's your oil, that's your egg. Now you do it how you want to do it, but I don't like to just dump stuff right up in there like that. I like to go in a little bit at a time. You feel me? That way if you mess up, it's a little mess up. A common mistake that people make is over mixing. So don't do that. Don't over mix it. It's gonna make the pancakes tough. I know it make you feel like you doing what you doing, boy. But nah, don't do that. Alright, we preheat this pan to about 250 and get a little bit of vegetable oil in there, avocado oil, whatever oil. I'm using my handy dandy Misto. You can find that in my link in the description, or you can find it on Amazon, man. That's a Misto sprayer. You don't even have to use no aerosol or nothing. It works off air, man. It's dope. Okay, another tip. Don't touch them until you see the bubbles forming. Over flipping them, that's over handling your pancakes. It's going to create a tough pancake. Throw me some butter on this motherfucker. I love butter.
Ooh, yes. Let's see. Ooh. Nobody does it better. Nobody does it better.